Hey guys, Kareem Henderson here, the Credit Plug. Check me out on Facebook at the Creditplug312. That's my site where I'm going to be having a dedicated site to giving credit tips, advocating for financial literacy, helping a lot of people get financially literate in these times. I'm coming to you guys today because you would never think, with me being the credit plug and being as astute as I am when it comes to credit matters, that you would be above reproach. But I had a situation happen to me just recently that I wanted to share with you guys. So you know how typically when you get a collections letter, they'll send out the initial letter basically establishing and giving you a window to contest if this is valid or not. And most people, when they get those letters, they know it's their debt, so they don't figure to contest that. But I had honestly didn't know where this debt had came from. So I had reached out to the UCES attorneys because in our plan, in our financial protection plan, we have access to credit attorneys. So I reached out to them, and they had directed me to a form that was already in our back office that was available to us, which is a big clue, guys, because you guys, if you go through your back office, there's a treasure trove of all types of forms, scenarios, things on collection. So all the different things that you may be encountering, they've got resources for you guys back there. So I would just encourage you guys to definitely go back there, take a look at that information. It's helped me. I'm going to be able to contest that so that they won't be putting that on my beautiful new credit score that I've been able to obtain now. And so I want you guys, I don't care who you are, these companies are getting desperate. These times are getting desperate. You have to be vigilant. You have to know what's going on with your credit and your finances. This is Kareem coming to you guys, giving you a precautionary message to stay vigilant and stay woke.